All right, brothers. Okay, so what you've learned from the books and from the videos of people, you can see that the market moves like this, then this. But this is not true for me. Okay, how the market moves is a different story, or you say it's totally different than what you learned from the books and the YouTubers. Okay, for me the market moves like this. Market does like this, then it goes down, then it goes up, then it's like this. Okay, this is the market movement. So in this we will be talking about three setups. Let me give you the first example. The first setup is setup one is market went up this, it broke this neckline, then you'll be marking these highs. Okay, then you'll be waiting for the market to come up, you'll be selling this here, and your stop loss would be above this. Okay, here you sold to this area, right? This is your setup number one. Okay, after this we'll be after this I'll be giving you example. Okay, I'll be adding some pictures so that you can know what the examples are like and what how the setup is. Okay, all right, so now we'll be going on the setup number two. Okay, I'll be a little slow sharing setup. Okay, now the second setup is market goes up, right? Market goes up, then it goes down, it breaks this area. Okay, it breaks this top. Mostly people are going to do is mostly people are going to buy over here, right? So what the market is going to do, market is going to stop loss on them. Okay, it is going to retest this, so you're supposed to buy here. Okay, in this area, the box I marked, here you buy, and the market, your TP would be this area. Okay, okay, yeah, so you can even say TP1 this, the buy area or buyer, where people, every trader, yeah, mostly new traders, whatever you call them, bought, and the high is the buy area. This is TP2, but for me it should break this area too and go more up. Okay, all right, so now we're going to the setup number three. What the setup number three, how it's like, the setup number three is like, market went up, right? Then the market when the market goes up, it makes green candles, right? But here somewhere it makes a red candle, red, red, red candle, right? This red candle, market goes up, right? So you're not supposed to buy once it breaks it. No, you're supposed to wait for the market to retest this area. It can be here somewhere, it can be here somewhere, and you have to wait for the retest. And the same as for the TP would be here, the stop loss would be below the red candle. Okay, where would it be? Stop loss would be below the red candle. Okay, so these are the three setups you have to look for. Okay, now going to the charts. Okay, okay, so now going to the charts, what are you supposed to do is you are supposed to look for the setups. Okay, let me show you the first setup. Okay, see, the first setup I told you about invalidates, right? Invalidates once the market, what the market does, once the market breaks this area. This is setup number one. See, market broke this neckline, this was the area, so we were supposed to sell here, we sold here, market came here, market then went up, then it came here, then it dropped to the level, right? So this one went good. Okay, so if we go back, if I say, if we see it in the other direction, what the market does, market breaks this neckline. This is setup number one again. Okay, the previous one I've shared is setup number one also. This is the area we were supposed to buy here. The market retests the neckline and goes up, it never comes here. Okay, so what that means, this means that this area is still fresh, and next time we can expect a buy. Even for few dollars we expect a buy. Even to this level it can come. Okay, so it's still a buy. Even if you have a big lot here, you won't regret. Okay, all right. Okay, so if we go over on the charts, today's charts, we will see setup number 1 and 2 frequently. See, this was the setup, right? The market went up like this, broke the neckline, retested this high and down. See, okay, let me share it again with you. See, this was the setup. Market retested, market didn't break it, market came down to this level, but it couldn't reach this level, and then it invalidated. So what in the future did it did? Okay, let me show you. See, this was the okay. Okay, hold on for a minute. Hold. Okay, so this was our zone. Where's the pen? Okay, so this was our zone. See, the market broke it, right? This top was broken, right? Market retested, yeah, and market went up. But here you can see another thing. Another thing is upside down setup. See, market, what the market did, right? This was the neckline, market broke it, this area, this, right? Then again, what the market did, market came down, retested and went up. If you were in the gold, this was the reason I was saying gold is up, right? Otherwise there was no reason. See here, if you can see my indicators, it was telling me that we are above the sell level. This zone above these lines is a buy zone. Okay, so this was also a reason why I was saying that the market should be going up. Okay, so now to the next what you say, next setup was, what was the next setup? The next setup was market goes up, breaks the neckline, but here what it did, it went up. Okay, so now we'll be looking on this setup, right? Okay, so we have to find this setup now, right? uh, 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 oh, I don't see it. Okay, so let me show you. What you see here, market goes down, market went up, market goes down, breaks the neckline. So here on this level you were supposed to buy. Market went up a little, market went to the supply, and market dropped, right. All right, so if we mark this area, let me what should I be doing? I should be putting up a box, okay, so that you can understand easily. Let's drag this box. Okay, okay, so now okay, so now you can see what the market did here, what the market did. See, you can wick here, you can see wick here, you can see wick, you can see this was broken, the market came down again. Oh sorry, then not here, the market came down here, market retested and market fall down. Okay, again, let me find a better example for you now. Okay, hmm, hmm. Okay, now if we go on this example, this was the area, market broke it, right? It was broken here too. If you say the candle movement, it was broken here too, right? What the market did, market broke and it didn't retest, right? So market was supposed to come to this level, so market came to this level, market went up a little, here we had a resistance, right? So the market went up to this resistance again. Where was your stop loss? Your stop loss was here. Then the market tried to go up and it went up. Where it went up, it went up to the area, this area where we already had one setup. All right, what was the setup? Setup number 1, market broke the neckline, market came here and retested, boom, you made money. Okay, so that was example number 2. Okay, So now what you see here, can you see anything here? This area, what we have another setup. Market broke the neckline, market retested the neckline and down. Okay, so in 1961-63 we are expecting a sell, right? So let's go further. Let's see if the market ever, yeah, 1961-63, no, the market haven't reached here. We are still sitting over here. So maybe in future we will be selling on 61-63 level. Okay, so where will be our stop loss? Our stop loss will be like here. That would be little bigger, like $10, $12 stop loss, but you can make big money. Like even if it moves to this level, you'll be making $20-$30. Nice, that would be a nice one. Okay, now let's go to GBP USD or GBP JPY. Okay, last time I gave few trades, that was accordingly. Okay, so what was the setup? Let me show you. Okay, now see, your setup number 2. Okay, we were talking about setup number 2. What do you see here? You see here the market made a high, it made a higher high, neckline, it retested neckline, right? This red candle, see this red candle, market broke it, this red candle and this red candle, right? Can you see the in future market should be retesting here or here? I think it should be hitting here and going up to this level or the nearby support resistance. Okay, so that is number 2. Okay, now sorry, no, it should be coming, it should be sorry, it should be coming down to this level. But as I've told you about the setup number 3, that the market goes here, market does like this, then goes up, this setup sits here too. So most probably market would be hitting here or this area, your stop loss would be here somewhere, or right, and you'll be buying for this or this. That's all depends on you. Okay, so now as I have described you the number 1 and number 2 setup, let's go to the number 3 setup. Okay, all right, now let me show you an example here too. What is this? What is this? This is red candle and this is high. I'll take both of it, I'll draw it like this, right? What the market did, market retested here, market dropped down to this level. Here we had another setup, setup number 1, right? Here the market again came here, market again came here, market retested, market went up. Okay, so these are the setups. Now if you say like about this one, right, if you had bought over here, right, market went up to this level, right? This was the this was the neckline, this was the supply. On the supply you can see a change, market dropped down, right, and it went to this level. But where was your stop loss? Your stop loss was definitely here. So whenever you're trading here, your stop loss is sitting over here. When you're trading here, your stop loss is sitting over here. You can even use $1-2 stop loss. That's all depends on you. Okay, all right. So again we have a setup here, right? Now I told you GBP JPY, this is the setup, this is setup number 3. Okay, you can even say this is setup number 2 if you draw it like this. Okay, now let's go to another chart. Okay, let me see if I find another good chart for you guys. Okay, all right. Okay, so if we go on a H4 or H4, okay, let's go on H4. What do you see here? Setup number 1, this area is your sell area. Where is your stop loss? Above this. Okay, never regret, this is not always 100%. See, this can also be a shoulder, this can also be a shoulder. So this area market can bump up thrice, because 1 2 3, okay, and it can go like this, and it can drop to this level. Which level? It can be like this. Why like this? Because if you can see, what is this, right? it would be like this. Okay, no, okay, forget it. I'll share an easy one. What is this? This was broken, right? Okay, so where are you going to sell? Where are you going to buy? You mark this area. I'll tell you how to mark the zones. This was our neckline. Okay, so I'm expecting it to do like this. Okay, to which level? This is the level. Okay, where would be the stop loss? Stop loss would be here. Okay, so this is a bigger chart. On a smaller chart you can find more and easy trades. Let me go to a smaller chart. Let's go on M15. Let's see what we have on M15. Okay, okay, so what do you see here? Suppose if you go on a smaller chart, you'll see like this, right? Market was suppose market broke the neckline, this neckline. This was your neckline. Market broke the neckline. Okay, market was supposed to retrace and go down, right, according to setup one, but it what it did, it broke this top and it came back to this area. See this, see this area, it came back to this area and retested and flow. Now what we see, no, this is not legit because the red candle is higher than the green one, so this is not legit. I won't take it. And according to my strategy, this one's not you know, this one don't go. Okay, all right, so where's our setup? Where? Here. Okay, here, if you see, this is the shoulder. Can you see, this is the shoulder, this is the neckline, right? This area market dropped and market went up, retested, and boom, it fall like, you know, it was a good trade. Okay, so now what you see here, this is the top, this is the shoulder, right? So what the market is supposed to do, market is supposed to go here, right? And you're going to sell it to this area. Which area are you going to sell? Let me tell you. See, this area, or maybe to this top. Okay, you're selling from here to here or here. Okay, so these are the setups and the moves I basically trade. In the next lesson I'll teach you how to draw your support, resistance, supply and demand zones and accurate lines, right, where 100% market is going to retest. I'll show you some example. Let's go to some examples without drawing anything. Okay, uh, just a little example so that you understand how the market moves. Which pair should we go for? Let's go to NZD USD. This is the first setup, right? From here, this candle, okay, to here. We are only adding the red candles, this top and this, no bodies. Okay, all right. And then, okay, now as it is marked, let me show you how it goes. If you go in the history, you'll notice it. Okay, just see this, just see this, just see this. It, nothing can be better than this one. Okay, even you see, it missed here, it missed here, no problem, you'll see it. It was a good zone, it is still a good zone, but I have to drag it on, you know. Okay, so now see here, it just missed. Okay, okay, now I'll be drawing another zone for you so that you can understand how it goes. Now see, when the market is in a downtrend, we are going and we are supposed to mark the green candles. I'll mark the candle like this one, not this one, because that is for me is like double bottom. Okay, all right, then I'll be going to this area, this green. I can even drag it, no, I don't have to drag it like here. Sorry, it's just moving. I have to be very precise in drawing. Now let me show you. All right, magnificent, right? Nothing can be better than this. Do you think anything can be better than this one? No, nothing can be better than this one. More to go, more to go, bro, more to go. What the hell? Everything is sitting here. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, more to go. See, this is how I draw my zone. So now I hope you understood how. All right, so what was this? What was this? No, before making the zones, let me go. And all right, in a downtrend, the green candle, right? The bodies, okay, from this candle, right, to this candle, bottom, right? So that's how I would be making. uh, Here we go. Now let me show you this zone. All right, how was it? This was actually not much better, but still I think it can be better. Okay, so now as the zone has moved down, what am I supposed to do? Even if you had bought here, what would have happened? You would have definitely hit the SL. If you had bought from here, from the, see what the market did? Broke, right? Broke, then this, okay, then you were expecting a buy here. Market bought a little to this area, and it fall down, hit your SL, right? Then what happened next? It went up to this area, and then again too much hit and gone. Okay, now, okay, let's mark the zone here. If the zone, okay, and again I won't be counting this one as this is the top. This is like this and this and this and this, right? But still, what it is the setup number one. Okay, now let's go to this one and mark this one. Let's see how it goes now. Okay, all right, as we're in a buy trend, we will be doing a different setup. What are we going to do? We are only taking the red candles, upper body and wicks. If we had like 5 candles here, I would have marked those one. Okay, as this is a green candle, I won't be marking this. Okay, I won't be marking this is the top. Okay, like this. Okay, all right. Okay, now let me go, and I'll be deleting this one. Okay, so that you can understand better how is it going. Okay, so what is the future of this one? All right, the past was good, right? The past was good. So that means this is a beautiful, beautiful. It's beautiful everywhere. Okay, all right. So again, so when the market is moving, you're just moving you're moving everything, your analysis, your support, resistance. See, they never remain the same. Okay, I'm telling you now. All right, so okay, I just looked at a setup. Now I was like, the setup should be somewhere here now. All right, now uh, let me put a box over here so that you can see. This was the area, right? This was the area, right? If we go on a smaller time frame, let me show you something. On M15, what we had like this, from here, sorry, the red candle only, then to this red candle's body. Okay, so what am I marking? I've marked this zone, I've marked this zone, I've marked this candle too. So right, so what the market did, market was supposed to, market broke the neckline, right? It dropped. It was supposed to sell from here, but it failed, right? After breaking this one, it came down and retested this is setup number 2. All right, now let's go to the setup number 3. Let me show you. Let me delete it first so that I won't be using it in the future. All right, so where is our setup number? The setup number 3. Okay, so okay, let's see. What was that? Right? This was the bottom. What is that? Right? Now see what the market did. Market break it. Right? Market retested this area and down. You would have hit stop loss. Right? You would have hit stop loss. Why we hit stop loss? Because we already have another one here, but for that we have to go on a really small time frame. So let's go on the really small time frame. uh, which area? This area, right? I'm marking this area so that you can see. Now I'll be going on M1. I don't know how far we have to go, but still I'll be showing you something. We will see a gray box very soon. Right, this is the area what the market did. Now see here, this was the zone, right? This was the area where market did, right? Okay, so after that what happened? Let's draw it first. Okay, this was the zone. How would I be drawing the zone? This one is like this one came here, this green candle you can see. And if you want me to be more precise, I'll be more precise so that you can understand it. Okay, all right, so that's the zone. Here's the zone. That is a really tiny zone. Let's mark it. Okay, this here comes the green candle. And now let's go on the M30. Okay, on the M30 let's go back to the area where, all right, so this line, now you can see the line, right? Okay, so see, this was our zone, right? So what the market did here, right? Can you see the difference? Yeah, so it was not much, but if you had stop loss over here, yes, you had made lot of money. But if it wasn't like that, then maybe a stop loss. All right, now, all right, so now as we'll be going to on more, these let me tell you one thing. These things do go wrong, do go bad, so always use money management, which I always lack. You should be managing your money because you're the owner of the money. All right, so this is double bottom, so we won't be going for it. Okay, so next and more things would be in the future. I'll be teaching you more things. Okay, I'll be telling you about this indicator too, but in future. Okay, first you have to learn that, then we'll be going for anything else. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it.